Hi, I'm Mark and I'm in East Long Meadow, Massachusetts, Mattress Firm today. And today I want to review the Purple Premium Collection that we have available for you here. This mattress in front of you is a medium hybrid, and this is the Restore Cool Touch mattress. This mattress has an 11.5-inch profile, and it's going to be offering Purple's proprietary Gel Flex grid. And this grid instantly adapts to your body for personalized, no pressure support and draws away heat for a more comfortable sleep. The responsive coil core that this mattress offers is going to have edge to edge coils, and that's also allowing airflow and provides durability, full body support with a bit of a bounce. So you can move freely throughout the mattress all night. This mattress also offers a comfort foam, and that's offering pressure relief through soft cushioning materials that cradle your body and adjust to your movement for superior pressure relief all night long. This mattress comes with the Cool Touch cover, and this Cool Touch cover is exclusive to the Purple mattresses that we have here at Mattress Firm. And it's a cool to the touch cover that offers a cool touch yarn and providing cooling where your body meets the mattress so you don't sleep hot at night. Come down and see me here in Mattress Firm in East Long Meadow. I also bounce between here and Hadley, Springfield. We can review this mattress or any of the other ones that we have available for you as well. Sheets, pillows, adjustable base, whatever else you're looking for. It'd be my pleasure to see you and help you find a good night's sleep.